Today we're going to tear down the 1965 Schwinn Racer Deluxe. Like I said in the prior video, this should be easier than the prior two projects because of the lack of external brakes and shifter.
Jinxed!
Alright, let's get started. It's time to bring our old friend Sherlock Holmes back to see what we have. This bolt is in backwards. The head of the screw should be going this way. This bushing should be on the other side, in between the tab for the fender and the nut and the washer. This is the correct way it should be in there. The head of the screw, the bushing, the tab for the fender, and the nut. The date on the crank is 1964. There is no date on the handlebars, and there's no date on the stem. The grease on the bearings is very old and very dry. This is the correct hardware for this hole in the rear fender. This is what I found in there.
Well,
this bike appears to be a rare instance of an unmolested vintage Schwinn.
but what about the wrong hardware in the rear fender?
The prior owner took the fenders off the bike and then put them back on before he sold it.
Well, that's not so bad.
So, what's next?
Mucho limpio.
Yeah, a lot of cleaning.
Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original ones. Take care.